There's a really exciting aspect and dynamic of working in life sciences in that first you get to work with companies that are mission-driven, focused on patients, focused on developing treatments, diagnostic testing, procedures, surgical techniques to help patients. And so there is that almost near direct connection between what we do as lawyers in the space and the benefit to patients, which is great.
When you start attending law school, you have the law and order kind of mindset of what a lawyer should be. I know at least I did. I went straight from undergrad to law school. Immediately upon reaching law school, I realized I am not going to be on law and order. But I still wanted to kind of counterbalance that humanities aspect that I had developed in undergrad. And so life sciences really gives you an opportunity to do that.
The life sciences business unit at Goodwin covers a host of client types, from emerging biotech companies to commercial companies that have products on the market. We do everything with those companies, from supporting them in the inception of their idea and protecting their intellectual property, through clinical trial and research arrangements, all the way through regulatory approvals, and help them structure their commercial and corporate interactions with customers and others as well.
That's the great thing. There's not one type of client and there's not one type of person, which makes it pretty interesting in terms of the dynamics you get to interact with. I've dealt with professors or researchers or even PhD students who reach out to Goodwin and say, I have a great idea, what do I do? And so we help those founders from that early stage all the way to doing founder issuances, raising money, then starting preclinical trials, and then going through clinical trials and doing an exit event, so an IPO, so they can go into capital markets or mergers and acquisitions.
The real benefit of practicing as a life sciences associate, especially at a firm like Goodwin that has such a heavy transactional footprint, is that you get an opportunity to see the full spectrum of how the industry is handling different issues. Any kind of sort of relationship that a biotech company or medical technology company might have, you'll have the opportunity to really see that full breadth. And that really informs a comprehensive practice that not everybody gets the chance to see on a regular basis.
You just have to find, I think, science interesting and really have kind of an open mind to learn the science. Working at Goodwin, and especially in the life sciences group, it really lets you figure things out. It really lets you discover your passions. It really lets you talk to people that are doing something really important in this world. You can grow into your own and kind of become the attorney you want to be. You can take your time, and we'll take that time with you.